Hello. Basically, I got a microwave here that doesn't want would die. It just turns off. It turned off and won't. There's no power to nothing. And it is plugged in, and I know that we got power to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what we can do to fix it. Okay, the first thing we want to do is we make sure we got this thing unplugged, which I have. And then you got like 5 screws back here that's gonna need to be taken off. And I'll get those off in a sec. Now these bottom ones on this microwave has 2 security screws. I guess they don't want no one tampering with it. Okay. Okay, I suspect that my problem is going to be right here with this. Let me see if I could get it on this thing here. Now that I got the back off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some power to this because I want to test something. This is when you gotta be real careful. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to test the wiring. I do have it plugged in. I just want to make sure we're getting some voltage here. I don't know if you can see that I'm getting 121 volts through my wire. So the next thing I suspect, I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. The next thing I suspect is probably, let me get you in on here. The wire is it is unplugged again, and basically it's hard to see, but there is a fuse right behind here. If we zoom in on it, why is the lighting so bad? Anyway, okay, I have everything unplugged, and what I suspect is this fuse right there. This one right there. What that like? It looks like it's got two white stripes on it. That one. And there's a green wire here. Out of that, kind of bolt in the way. There we go. So I'm going to test that one right there. Make sure I got continuity. You can hear that, meaning I got continuity. If I touch one side of the fuse and the other one, nothing. Fuse is burnt out. Of course, if I touch the same size of the fuse, you see I got, so basically I'm going to pull that fuse, and again, I can't stress enough, make sure it's unplugged. Now I'm going to go ahead and pry that fuse up a little bit. Okay. Right here on the circuit board, it does give me a size, and it's a 250. I don't know if I'll be able to get in on it. And that spot basically says 250 by 20 amp fuse. So let's zoom this in again. I'm going to go ahead and just swap out the fuse. I picked up these fuses over at Home Depot, and it is a 20 amp and it's a 250 volt. Now these do say for microwave use. The only thing I've been looking at was that basically this is a fast acting, I believe they say, and what a lot of people online say you should get a slow acting, but this is the only ones I could find right now. So slow acting or slow, basically it takes a little longer, so it could have a few little spikes, but it won't blow the fuse right away. Well, let's go ahead and check it out. Because I'm starting to get a little hungry. They are the same size, just a little different company. Same size, same rating and all. I'm gonna test the new one so you can see what I mean. I put the thing on one side, and you can hear my meter. So I got continuity through there. Good fuse. Once again, the old fuse. Once again, the old fuse. No continuity. Since I know this fuse, I'll do it again. This fuse has continuity. Everything's right about it. We're going to go ahead and pop it in here. It just pops right in. And now, what I could do is I'm going to go ahead and put the cover back on, and we'll go ahead and turn it on and see if we got power. I'm going to turn it around so I could put the screws in. Okay. I'm going to need the cover. My assistant. Let's do this. In on the front. Start putting these screws in. Remember I had the security screws at the bottom. Don't gotta kill these sheet metal screws, otherwise you're gonna strip them. I just do them like finger tight. Okay. Okay. Now on to the other ones. Make sure you're still in frame. And now we will have the moment of truth. Let me pause it. I'm going to put the microwave where it belongs and then we'll go from there. Okay, I got the microwave back in its normal place. I'm going to go ahead and set the clock. It is 5:35 p.m. 5, right, clear. Clock, 5. 5:30. I'm gonna go with 5:36 p.m. a.m. p.m. Clock again. We're good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and warm something up. Put it back here in case it doesn't warm up. Let's see how that goes. They claim about 2.5 minutes. 2.5 to 3.5. Doing that. Okay, we're at 2 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and pause it and I'll turn it back on when we're a little closer to the 2-minute mark so you're not sitting here watching paint dry. I figure I'll just start recording for the last almost 30 seconds. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to also see what the temperature, I mean, more or less, see if we could show that it did heat up. Okay, we're ready. Here's the plate of food. And if I hit it, I'm at like at 190. The clear part, the hot part's around 185. I don't know if you could see that, but it did heat up. See the steam? Okay. Well, I hope someone found this a little helpful. A friend of mine, Keith, wanted me to put up a quick little video about something similar. So anyway, I happen to have a microwave that when I went to heat up my coffee, it just died on me. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you guys later. Hope it just, people realize, hey, you might as well give something a shot and try to fix it. And can't end up breaking it if it's already broke. Talk to you later. Bye.